Hey, so today I want to talk about local SEO. I want to talk about how backlinks play into it. I want to talk about the whole entire ecosystem. So we refer to this as the marketing tree. That's simply we found where you have the root base. That's going to be all of your listings. That's going to be all of your organic um, pieces like voice search. All that stuff lives down inside of those organic roots that are inside of your tree. You have your website, which is your tree trunk. Then you have your Canopy, which has your SEO, all of your different stuff like your blogs, your SEO, your email campaigns, your paid ads, social media, whatever might be up there. So when we look at it, a lot of business owners get really confused and they don't understand what a backlink is and what local SEO means. Local SEO, for how we approach it, is to be able to do it instead of sections based on what the needs are of your company. So if you have the need of just getting your business listed on every single network and you want to be blasted out every single day to our 1,000+ networks that we work with, the listings engine is going to be a great spot for you to be at. If you want to get your website going, you might already spend tons of money on a website and you have a great website. It looks awesome, but you're just not getting the traffic you want for it. That's when our AI SEO pixel is going to come into play. If you don't have a website or you don't have a good website, that's where our website marketing services are going to come into play. We have social media at the top for being able to do it. We have blogging. We have all those different things that we can handle a lot of the stuff inside of your tree. So we have our social media suite. We have our Google Business Profile Boost, which will automatically just take AI and make everything kind of work for your Google profile. But Google isn't the biggest player inside of the mix. So I don't want you to take that and say, oh, well, I'm just going to be on Google and Google Business Profiles the most. It's really not. Right now, from what I'm seeing inside of trends, YouTube is actually the number one search engine. Google is number two, and it's getting ready to compete majorly with all these different AI stuff. You have AI mode that came out for Google. You have ChatGPT, you have Claude, you have Grok, you have all this stuff, Gemini, you have all this stuff going on, and it relies on this whole entire ecosystem. That's why I love the tree analogy so much, is it relies on each of those pieces to be able to do. So having just a backlink isn't going to be good. I was doing a website review this morning. All their backlinks have all these Chinese letters on them and all this different stuff that is out there. And now that's not good quality backlinks. When you have the listings engine doing it, it is going to go out and it's going to get quality listings. That means you're going to get on yellow pages. It means you're going to be on super pages. It means you're going to be on Apple or Apple Maps. It means you're going to be on Siri and Cortana and Bixby and Google. It means you're going to be going out to all these different places. And really, the listings engine doesn't really connect to Google. We can do that manually as a basic connection. That's where the Google Business Profile Boost comes in, because Google's a whole different animal. But all of that stuff comes and plays into the picture of how you're going to be able to grow your business and what those things are. So all a backlink is something that's going to drive traffic to your website. It's a place that says, hey, this site is there. Because what's happening behind the scenes is you have all these crawlers that are constantly crawling all these websites and gathering as much information as it possibly can. It's paying attention to the schema on the website. It's paying attention to all these technical pieces, which is what that AI SEO pixel is going to go through and fix to be able to bring everything together and connect all of your pieces. So when you're looking at that whole entire tree environment, you're bringing it all together to be able to connect your pieces together. So if you're looking to be able to grow your business, remember at the end of the day, you have to bring everything into one spot to be able to connect it. Because if you don't, you're going to be left behind more times than not. So don't get confused, don't get lost, don't get frustrated because you're not sure where to start at. All this stuff, I mean, even in this video, I bounced around a little bit, but you have to just remember it goes back to that basics of you have to get that root base done, because if you don't have a strong root base, you're not going to make it anywhere. You got to make sure that website's in place and the basic technical pieces, your schema, your SEO, all that stuff is inside of that website side. Make sure that you're blogging. Go out, create content about what it is you are doing. Because when you solve a problem for a customer or you have some kind of service going on, any business can create lots of content off of that. And all these different AI tools are looking for what is the best thing I can deliver. What is something that someone needs inside of there? I have a problem that someone has said they have inside of AI search. And I'm looking for the best person to have it. Well, if you never talk about those products, you never talk about any of those pieces, you're never going to make it inside of search. So remember that and kind of keep that in the back of your mind as you're going through and building stuff out. It's a really important piece to be able to look at it. I talk to a lot of members that go, I've listed everything, I'm listed, I'm not being found on Alexa, but my website is not really doing everything. I haven't posted out to social media at all, and I haven't done anything on my Google business profile. I haven't connected all the dots. So that means that you've only done one part of it. Now, does it mean you have to use us for everything? No, not at all. You can do a lot of this on your own. We have videos for doing most of it on your own if you ever wanted to. We just make it simpler with our tools to be able to make it to where you can do your own marketing without having to go through and hire someone to do it, and do it in the amount of time that it's not going to take a ton of your time to be able to do it. Setting up the listings engine is 30 minutes to an hour. Getting a review, it's going to be probably about 30 minutes to an hour to go through and put everything in that the data science team comes back and reviews it. That's a set, and that's a leave it, and that's a forget about it. The going through and getting AI SEO pixel, it's super simple. All you have to do is give us access to your search console and your Google Analytics and put a code on your website. That's it. We pull all the data from your listings engine, and it works inside of there. Same with Google Business Profile, except for you have to give us access to your Google Business Profile as well as a manager. So as you go through and you build all that up, and if you're going to use our social media suite, our social media suite's going to make it to where you can do your pillar content and to where you can schedule it out over a year. I can teach you, and inside of videos, we have it to where it takes about an hour, hour and a half, and you can do a whole year's worth of content using AI tools like ChatGPT or whatever your preferred AI tool is. But it's a matter of putting all those pieces together to be able to get it to where you need to be able to get yourself found. Because if you're not being found, you're going to be left behind, especially in today's world and today's search. So if you're looking to get that solved, chat with us on the website. We'd love to be able to walk through your process, get a free audit. We have a whole entire free audit button now that's on the website. Get an audit of where you are, and we're going to look at it with human eyes to figure out what is working, what's not working for you, and making real world suggestions that you can put together and do if you use us or if you don't use us. It doesn't matter to us, but it's one of those things to where we can make it a lot easier to be able to get where you're going. Now, a lot of times people go, well, how long does it take to do local SEO or get these backlinks or all that? Your organic piece, that could take anywhere between 7 days and 90 days, and it's going to keep continuing to grow over time because we're blasting your information out every single day. Google Business Profile Boost, I'm seeing better results, and I'm hearing back from members that they're seeing results in that first 7 to 10 days. AI SEO Pixel is about 7 to 14 days on average, where they start to see some better rankings and people start to see some noticeable differences. Now, it's different for everybody. It depends on where you're starting, what you've done in the past, what you have, and what you build on, and how much information you can put into there. And it all depends on how much information you can provide. We have a video on being able to do, and we'll link to it up in the top. It's going to be about how to do massive amounts of content with social media or with AI, and one with video, and how you can generate enough content where you are able to build your website up and build your marketing engine to where you can actually get those results and be able to push yourself forward. If you have any questions whatsoever, hit us up on the website. I know I went a couple different directions on this video. If you like our randomness, you like being able to learn about this different stuff, and you have any questions whatsoever or anything, leave it in the comments below. We'd love to chat with you more. My name's Rob. I'm one of the co-founders here at Simply Be Found. I've been doing this stuff for over 30 years, and I look forward to helping your business get found by more local customers by getting more eyeballs on your business. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.